Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to save this file as input, but whenever you save this, the first letter of your title has to be capitalized. So I'm going to click save, and now I am going to import a package called javax.swing.JOptionPane. The reason why this J is capitalized is because you're importing this class as well. So you're going to use public class and the name of the file, because every time you name a file in Java, you have to name the class the same as your file. So again, it has to be capitalized, the first letter, so it's going to be input, public class input. And now I'm going to open my scope, and I'm going to write my main method. I'm going to write my main method called public static void main string args, and in here I am going to declare my variable type, which is going to my data type, which is going to be a string, and I am going to name this var1 for variable 1. And I am going to say variable 1 is equal to JOptionPane.showInputDialog. And I am going to put stuff in between parentheses, and I have to end it with a semicolon. So in between these parentheses, I am going to write the word null, and I am going to say, what is your name? I am going to compile this, and what this is going to display is going to show you a dialog box that is going to accept your input. So once I execute this, it's a little dialog box that looks a little something like this, and it's asking you, what is your name? You write, your name is Geo281, that's my YouTube name, and click enter, and that should be it. Press a key to continue, and that is how you write your name. Now let's say I want to also output my name on the command prompt, so I would write system.out.println, and in parentheses I am going to bring in this variable, because whatever I am typing in this little dialog box that you just saw is going to be stored in this variable, and I want to output whatever I typed in. So I'm going into this variable, so I'm going to type in system.out.println. I'm going to bring this variable, and I'm going to put it in here, that way I don't have to write everything that I wrote. So let's go ahead and do that one more time. I'm going to compile this, that way the computer knows what it's doing, and then I am going to execute it, and I am going to say, and it's going to say, what is your name in this box? Geo281. Alright, now we click OK, and now it prints it out over here, Geo281. Make sure to subscribe, and that should be it. In some other videos, I'll be showing you how to also be able to start looking at this data that you are typing in, and start actually manipulating it, and start actually reading it and doing some more stuff with it. But for right now, I want you to become familiar with how to use this package, the JOptionPane package, and that should be all. Let me know what you think. Appreciate it.